Kallinen, civil rights lawyer. We are here today for several reasons. We are trying to change some of the procedures of the Houston Fire Marshal's office in regards to some safety issues and into the administration of overtime. Recently, due to an insurance audit, the city of Houston had a long list of buildings that needed to be inspected. And the inspectors went about inspecting these buildings, but however, there was an oral order given at many times by Marcus Hicks and with an assistant chief there, Marion Spann, which stated you are not to give citations for buildings nor charge a re-inspection fee. Now, of course, if you cannot use your tools of enforcement, you cannot get compliance. Now, the officers that we have here today, who unfortunately cannot speak to the press, they have to speak through me and other people because they could get in trouble by their management, and their management is already circling the wagons and denying all of these accusations. However, we have Douglas Trimmer with 31 years of service, Gary Albrecht with 39 years of service, Mr. Hernandez with 34 years of service, and Mr. Wynn with 19 years of service. So these are long-time fire marshals who are risking a lot for public safety. For instance, several city buildings have been inspected and re-inspected and re-inspected, yet they have not been fixed. And that includes 2929 South Wayside, which is a recreation and wellness center, which was inspected March 20th and then re-inspected later in April, and then even re-inspected again in July, and nothing was done. The same with 6200 Wheeler, which was also inspected, re-inspected, and nothing has been done. These are issues of public safety. Furthermore, on the issue of overtime, the city firefighters, there are three divisions to the Houston Fire Department. There's the firefighters, there's the arson office, and then there's the fire marshal's office, which does the inspection of buildings. And the firefighter's office, the largest one, has a very open system. They put up the hours on the wall and to make sure that there's compliance with the city of Houston's and union requirements for assigning overtime. However, that's not the way they do it at the marshals. It's not out in the open. It's administered by Mr. Marcus Hicks, and it's kept basically secret. You have to do open records requests if they'll give you the documents. There's always fights over open records requests. So what we're looking for is openness in the overtime system to get it changed to what the firefighters are doing, a very simple process, as well as addressing these issues of public safety. And so that's why we're here today, and I'll be speaking at City Council to bring this to the attention of the mayor and the City Council members so that something can be done. And the next we'll have Shelby Stewart.